Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose About Device. Following that, click on Device Name section next to Storage and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Winter. When you're ready, save your changes by clicking on Save. And as you can see, after that, name of my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!